Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create the matrix rain effect in CapCut PC, or in other words how you can apply this effect. So you can find this effect in trending. You can find the matrix rain. So this is the new effect from CapCut. You have to join Pro first to be able to use this effect. So how to use it? Go to media and import your videos or just photos that you like to edit. For example, I'm going to add is overload image and go to back and select metric range. Just add to the track. So it's super simple, and you can click on the effect and adjust for the option that's atmosphere, blur, color, range, size, and then speed. And you can see for the final result. Let's change for the color. So I can try this effect to your videos. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.